You're watching the Weiss channel. Today we're doing consecutive integers. 3 numbers in a row. Consecutive means like 5, 6, 7. Those are consecutive. All right. If it was consecutive odd integers, it would be 7, 9, 11. Consecutive even integers would be 4, 6, 8. Right? Anyway, the sum of 3 consecutive integers is 45. Find the value of the middle of the 3. So here's what we're going to do. 3 consecutive integers. We're going to say x plus 1, and x plus 2, right? Because if the first number is 7, the second number is 8, right? 7 plus 1. Number after that is 7 plus 2, or 9, okay? So what you do is you add these 3, meaning x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 45. X plus x plus x is 3x. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3x plus 3 equals 45. Minus 3 from both sides, you get 3x equals 42. Divide by 3, x equals 14. That's you. So x is 14, x plus 1 is 15, x plus 2 is 16. All right. It says, what's the value of the middle of the 3? The middle of the 3 is 15. Now, I have a shortcut for you, okay? If you take 45, okay, and I want 3 consecutive integers, I just take 45 and I divide by 3. That always gives you the middle number. 45 divided by 3, the middle number is 15. So what you do is you just add 1 and subtract 1. And that gives you your 3 numbers. Okay? The sum of 3 consecutive integers is negative 51. Find the value of the greatest of the 3. Okay. X plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals negative 51. 3x plus 3 equals negative 51. Minus 3, you get 3x equals negative 54. Divide 3. X equals negative 18. X is negative 18. X plus 1 is negative 17. X plus 2 is negative 16. The greatest of these 3 is negative 16, right? Okay. You can do the same thing where you just divide by 3. Negative 51 divided by 3 is negative 17. That's the middle of the 3. So what you do is you add 1 and you subtract 1. And then the greatest of the 3 numbers is negative 16. Okay. What if you have consecutive even integers? The sum is negative 24. Find the value of the greatest of the 3. Okay. Now what you have is x plus 2, and x plus 4, right? Okay. Add those together. X plus 2, x plus 4 equals negative 24. 3x plus 6 equals negative 24. Minus 6. 3x equals negative 30. Divide 3. X equals negative 10. So negative 10, add 2, negative 8, add 4, negative 6. What's the greatest of the 3? Negative 6. You can do the same thing here. Take negative 24 and divide by 3. It gives you negative 8. So in this case, you have to add 2 and subtract 2. Okay? The greatest of the 3 is negative 6. What if you have odd integers? Now, first thought would be, if you have odd integers, since even integers was x plus 2, and x plus 4, most people incorrectly think that you're going to do x plus 1, and x plus 3. No. Think about it. It's still x plus 2, and x plus 4. Why? Because how do you go from 7 to 9 to 11? You're still adding 2 and adding 4, right? So if it's odd or even, you're going to do x plus 2, and x plus 4, okay? Equals 75. 3x plus 6 equals 75. Minus 6, you get 3x equals 69. Divide by 3. X equals 23. And x equals 23, so you've got 23, 25, and 27. What's the middle of the 3? 25. Once again, you can do the same thing, doing 75 divided by 3. The middle number is 25. You add 2 and subtract 2 to get all 3 numbers. You've been watching the Weiss channel.